move to cite Colonel Hector Grijaldo in contempt.
I was waiting for Congressman Paduano to do that, but anyway, so there is a...
Atin sa kanya, and I think it's the right time to make an appropriate motion. Sumusobra na siya. This is, I believe, his fourth time to skip the Quadcom, and pero sa Senate wala naman siyang rotator cuff syndrome. I'm sorry, but I really believe it's high time that with the indulgence of all the chairmen, that I move to cite Colonel Hector Grijaldo in contempt, Mr. Chair.
Seconded.
Okay,
Second.
there is a motion. I was waiting for Congressman Paduano to do that, but anyway, so there is a... Sinahit niya ng contempt. So there is a motion to cite Colonel Hector Grijaldo in contempt.